my channel Avis. This is me Avnash, and today I'm gonna talk about SJ Cam 6 Legend Action Cam. A long-term review video. In fact, one of my worst experiences with gadgets. So let's start by discussing about the features of this cam. Starting with the body. The body is made up of hard plastic. It's okay. It has ports over here. Let me just focus. So as you can see, there is a USB port over here. There is a small HDMI, mini HDMI output port over there, and there is a memory card slot. And then you have the speaker grill and the mic next to it. At the front you have the small LED display, 1 inch, and to the rear you have the larger display here. 3 years back when I purchased this, it was one of the best cameras available in the market with some 4K recording. So 3 years back 4K was not that kind of a novel thing, but this cam had all the features. It has an Android app that comes for controlling from your smartphone, and hell lot of features. And trust me, the stabilization, the movie format, the recording, everything was fine. But the most important part of any gadget is its battery, and that is where SJ Cam really fails. So the stock batteries that are received along with the cam, it's right here. Let me show you guys. So this is the stock battery which I received along with the cam. So I had two batteries at that time, and both the batteries swelled, and one battery swelled to that extent it was looking like a balloon. So I had to throw it away. And this is the cam which I had, and it also swelled and it got stuck inside the cam, and I tried to pull it out, and this one got removed, and I had to use a pry tool to remove it out of the camera. So talking about the camera itself, everything, the features, the customer care, the website, the software updates, everything is fine. But the main problem which I faced personally, and which I think is the most important for any electronic gadget, is the battery. So I ordered a second set of batteries after like 2 years of use, and quite for some time it wasn't it wasn't used at all. So it didn't fail, it worked. After getting the new batteries, I tried it out and I made a couple of vlogs as well, but the videos weren't that good. In between there was one update where the video quality was really messed up. The stabilization was kind of a turned off kind of a thing. And then I received another update which actually fixed all the issues. But the batteries, trust me, after 3 to 6 months of use, the batteries will start to bulge a little bit, and bulging will cause issues. You will not be able to put the battery inside and pull it out. Let me show you that. So here is a cam. You slide up the battery shutter case, and you try to just insert the battery. And I really don't want to put this one inside, so I'm just, as you can see, it really struggles to go in, and it really doesn't want to go in. It's having actually that bulge issue right now. So and even if I try to put it in, it won't come outside. See, it doesn't have the tag. So I'm gonna remove this one and show you with the new batteries that I have, which I purchased like almost 6 to 9 months back. So you can release and pull the batteries out from the battery charging case, or from the cam using this tag. So this tag is really important for this particular battery type. So I'm going to insert this. So even this battery is bulged, as you can see. It really doesn't, as you can see, it won't it won't just release just like that. So it is getting stuck actually. So I'm trying to put a little bit of force, and I'm sliding it in, and once it goes in, you have to use this tag to, oh my goodness. So this is how you release the battery from the cam. And I reached out to customer care complaining that your batteries are bulging, and this is the second set of batteries, it's facing the same issues. What the guy told me is that, sir, we don't give batteries service warranty, or the replacement warranty more than 6 months, and trust me, 1,000 rupees for a battery every 6 months, I'm not that rich. I'm not Elon Musk. So SJ Cam, really pathetic service. And the batteries, this is the life of any gadget, and you have to build better batteries. And this is all I have to say about SJ Cam 6 Legend. And I'm not sure if anyone else is facing similar issues. If you guys are facing similar issues with SJ Cam, any model let it be, so please let me know through the comment section down below. And let me also show you, so zoom. Alright, so if you touch the corner of the battery and press, you can see the battery literally goes in. It's actually made out of, cheap quality plastic, because of which the batteries are really flimsy, and the only portion where you will feel that hardness is the center portion, and that is where the batteries bulge. So this is the battery, as you can see here. And I have always used proprietary charger that came along with the SJ Cam. And let me also show you that. So this is the proprietary charger which I received. It is actually having two ports. One is a micro USB and this is the mini USB port. So guys, I have always used a power bank to charge batteries, and power banks usually turn off once the batteries are full. So I was expecting that that might help boost the life of the battery, but I'm really dissatisfied. And I don't think anyone should spend 1,000 rupees every 6 months for a battery. And action cams are like tiny little piece of gadgets that will last for a long time if you handle it properly. And this particular model is not waterproof out of box, so it has to fit in this case. And if your batteries are bulging, and if that battery bulges and it gets stuck inside your camera, trust me, it won't fit inside this case anymore. So if you don't want to waste money, I would say just give it some extra. Get a DJI Osmo or a GoPro or a second-hand GoPro. That will really do the job. I hope this short video of mine helped you choose the right cam, or if you have already purchased a SJ Cam, I'm really sorry for guys, even I'm feeling the same. So if you guys have anything to share with me, you can again use the comment section down below. It is still available in Amazon under 10K, but I definitely don't recommend this to anyone whom I know or my subscribers. So guys, do let me know what you think, and be safe, stay subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.